Once you're in settings on the Lenovo tablet, keep scrolling down until you reach the bottom here that says About Tablet. Click on that. And here is the option for you to do the system update. Go ahead and click on System Update. Now it tells you the version of the operating system that is currently running. And just like that, it has now found a new version. So all you have to do is obviously once you're connected via Wi-Fi, you can go ahead and do the download and install here. Depending on your connection, it might take some time, but go ahead and keep letting the process run and then we'll come back to it. So the download has now finished and we're on to the installation section. So just give it a few minutes here and we'll continue the process. Now that the installation is all completed, let's go ahead and do the Restart Now option to restart the tablet. And once it's all restarted, you now are on the latest version here for the Lenovo tablet.